Hi, I'm Josh Ellsworth with Stahls, and you're watching the second video of 21 in our 21 Looks series, where we're showing you how to heat print trending looks for 2021 and encouraging you to steal the photos after we've completed the look. Now, I'll tell you how to do that after we complete the look, but I want to focus in on our second product that we're printing in the fitness category. If you missed our first video, make sure you go back and watch it, where we show you how to easily heat press compression capris with CAD-CUT Premium Plus. We'll be coordinating with these capri pants now with a performance top. Whether it's a scoop neck or a V-neck, the tips will remain the same. We're going to show you how to use Premium Plus in a two-color design onto this challenging fabric and give you some tips over at the heat press. Let's get started. Now, if you're a beginner in heat printing, I want to talk about some basics with how we've set our Hotronix AutoClam up to be able to complete this job accurately. It's really critical to getting quality results in your heat press business. Number one is you see we have the heat press set up on our Hotronix Caddy stand. We've built a cantilever design so it's completely open underneath the press. That's going to allow me to split my garment in what I call thread it on. You'll see that here in a moment. We've also added this quick slip pad protector to slide over the bottom platen. That's really critical because it's going to help me load the shirts that I'm printing a lot easier and also protect my heat press investment. Now, with that in mind, all I want to do is lock the press down to be able to test the pressure. Pressure is really key when you're printing performance wear. So when I lock this down, I can see on this machine I have a 0 pressure. It actually reads out the pressure for you. That's one of the benefits of these higher-end Hotronix machines versus other machines on the market. Now, to increase the pressure, I'm going to turn my knob. It's an over-center pressure adjustment. It lowers the top heater down. And now when I lock this down, I'm at more of a 4 or a 5 pressure. Now, I want to be at a medium pressure. This runs a scale of 1 to 9, so 4 or 5 would be right in the medium range, but I still have to load my garment. So I'm just going to retract it a little bit to try to get it on, let's say, a 3. Just a little bit more. We'll get that on a 3. So when I load my shirt, it'll come up a digit or 2 to 4 or 5. Now, I'll also set my temperature and time, which is critical. So 280 degrees. One of the benefits of the product we're using today is it's a low temp. If you're trying to apply materials at 330 degrees to performance wear, you're probably going to scorch and not have great results. And also a low time setting, in this case 8 seconds. This particular press has twin timers, so I can set 2 timers. I'll just show you. I'll make that one 7 and this one 8. I'm going to use the 7 seconds for the preheat. So it'll lock down, count down from 7, count down from 8, and then it'll just toggle back and forth. Now, when you're loading your garments and printing any garment, frankly, but definitely performance wear, you want to split that garment open if you can and do what I call thread it. It's almost like putting a pillowcase over a pillow. You're going to just thread it and drape it off of the press. Now, V-necks and scoop necks can be challenging to print. Most people put the design way down too far. Think of the neckline. The design's going to be closer to the neck. And so I want to make sure I have this shirt loaded straight, and I like to pull it down to the top seams of the shoulders, and then I kind of retract it back. I'm going to pull that V of the V-neck all the way off the edge. If that's up on there at all, it's going to press this, and on these delicate performance fabrics like we're working with, it's going to leave a little scorch mark or a shiny mark here. So I want that all the way off of the edge. I also want to make sure there's no foldovers in the bottom of my garment. I want everything as flat as it possibly can be. With that appropriately set up, I'm going to go ahead and complete the preheat. Performance fabrics, always use a cover sheet when you're using heat transfer vinyl on the products we're working with here from Stahls. I'm going to preheat to remove the moisture and wrinkles and also to prepare my garment for application. Now that it's preheated, I'll take my design. This is CAD-CUT Premium Plus, one of the best materials out there for performance wear and stretch fabrics. I'm going to remove the backing from my design. These have been cut for me by Stahls. It's a service that's offered where you can send your artwork, they cut the design for you, and all you do is position and press. Now, lining things up can be challenging, so one little tip I like to do is take your design, not on the sticky side, on the non-sticky side, and fold it edge to edge, and then just put a little centering crease. Pinch it right there, and now I have a centering line that can line right up to the V in my V-neck. So normally I'd go a few inches down from the collar. Because I'm doing a lower neckline, I'm going to go just about an inch, inch and a half down from the collar. And you can see with the way we've designed our font, we've created kind of a fashionable result where we have increased spacing in between the characters with how we've laid this out. So they match perfectly, and we're using the orange Premium Plus and the gray Premium Plus, aiming for a tone-on-tone look on this heathered garment. I think the finished result's going to be awesome. Okay, everything's in place. Take time to check, breathe, cover it with the cover sheet, and then we're going to go ahead and lock the press down for the recommended time, temperature, and pressure. You see how the pressure came up a digit to a 4. This machine automatically opens when it's done. And then I'm able to peel the backing off. Give it a few seconds just to cool down on Premium Plus, then grab and always peel corner to corner if you can. So at a 45-degree angle, I know this is very thin text, so I kind of trace it down to pull at a 45-degree angle on each letter until I have a completed result. And our finished result, very professional quality, very soft, very stretchable, no markings on the shirt. And when somebody's wearing this, this is so lightweight, it's not even going to be like there's a decoration on the front of their shirt. And some of that has to do with your design choice as well, with a lot of spacing in between the characters, completing a look that's perfect for the fitness category. So it's pretty easy to achieve this result. Wouldn't you agree? And now we're starting to build a complete outfit, which is going to generate more profit in your business. From our first video in our 21 look series, we pressed these compression capris from Augusta Sportswear, and now they've been paired with this Sport Tech performance garment with a matching decoration. This product is from Sanmar. Now, we're going to tell you you can steal this look right now by clicking the link down in the description. But we want you to wait and make sure that you watch the third video in this series where we'll complete the outfit with one additional item geared to the fitness market. Thanks for watching.